Hey guys, welcome to another video. This time I was exploring the Unreal uh, editor for Fortnite. Yes, I'm making these new worlds, trying to check how it works. I was checking also some tutorials, but I was working like last hour on this, and I said, okay, let's make a video and let's share the progress in here. So this is what we have. I'm creating this series of islands. All of them are with this idea of NOAR for life. So all of them will have this logo in the top of the island. And the main idea of the game will be like to get to the top or whatever, or follow this logo, where you need to follow to touch or to activate the button, and then the first one to make it is the winner. Yeah, so I will show you what I just did here, how I make this small island from where I got the terrain. Yes, so then I will be making more videos to show how it's going and the final product. Also, I would like to explore, for example, how to replicate cities in here. If you have any idea of a city, of a place in the world, any place in the world, just let me know and we can check and we can find a way how to make it. So starting from the most basic things, the terrain. Yes, the terrain I created in here is landscape mode, the same as in Unreal Engine. It was simple. I just put here like a new. It will appear like this when you have no terrain. Yes, what I did was select a material. This material instance comes with the Unreal editor for Fortnite, and I import from file. So I use a height map for this. So if you don't know, the height map is a simple PNG file with a grayscale values, where the black values are 0 and the white is 1. So there it gives like the height. Yes, so this value here will be darker than for sure this value here, and like this is represented. So I create a height map of any place in the world using this cool tool that I found here. I will let you the link below. So this is a GitHub repository. It's really cool. Thanks to the author, Tangran. So thank you for this. Literally just look into the camera. If you see this small triangle, that is the Sierra Nevada in Santa Marta, Colombia. It's what I did. So I just put the camera like this and set a render, and then it will create a picture, the PNG file. I will just hit cancel just to don't download it again. And one is like this. I just import it. Just be sure that the overall resolution is no more than this. So at any time you can just take the PNG, set the scale. I recommend you that, for example, for 100% in X axis, 100% in Y axis, use the 30% for Z axis, because it is a little bit not like symmetric. And then if you use 50, so just divide this 30 in a half, so it will be 15, and like that. And guarantee that you have almost this resolution, or maximum 1024, just to be sure that the performance will be okay. So after that, I create my landscape, and this is the result, just the poor landscape. It had these divisions. But if you see, it's really cool. What I just did after that is use some smoothing. I didn't show you this scope smoothing with really little strength, so soft, just to avoid these triangulars. Yes, so I just reduce like this, because I don't like it when it seems that much triangular, just to make it more round. So this is what I was doing. For example, this one is not nice. And like this, I was just making my terrain. That material that comes with the editor, it already have this foliage, these plants. It's a really good material when the terrain has some inclination, so it's make it like this, like a cliff. When it's flat, so it's like this, like a nice grass, and the middle point, so it just switch between it. It's really good, and it's working perfectly. So the second thing that I did was add the ocean. Yes. So if you can see here, the ocean is an actor. So it comes also with the Fortnite. So just find here the water, or easier, just come here to landscapes, environment, and water. And you have here the ocean. But one thing, the ocean, I don't like it to affect my terrains. It usually comes by default that when you place the ocean, it affects your terrain, and I will show you. Come here to landscape, you have the water, yes, and here affects the height map. So if I hit it yes, you will see that it will destroy everything I have. If I hit no, it will just keep it the way I had it. So this is the reason why I am focused on that. Actually, I think I changed it somehow. So just let it hit Control Z to keep it as it was. Okay. Yeah, so with the water, I like to keep it like that. I toggle this so it will not affect it. It will not affect anything. And then I place it. So like this, I will be free to, this literally affect everything. Okay. So I will be free to add the water and keep the terrain as I imported it or as I want it. So after the water, it comes the trees and the 3D assets. For example, this is my own 3D assets. It's the logo of NOAR. It's a new fashion brand, NOAR for life. I will let you hear the website in the link below, so you can check some stuff. And I just import the FBX file, yes, mesh. This is static mesh, and I create some here actor just to place it where I wanted to place it. It has no animations, it has nothing else. Just add some basic material and that's it. Another thing that I add to my world was this cool effect, just exploring solutions. So if you see here, it also comes with the editor. And if you come here to galleries and particles, so I have here this atmospheric lighting. I could add anything. It's as simple as in Unreal Engine, just to drop stuff, to drop things in there. For example, it's bamboo gallery. So let's play this bamboos here around this small artificial lake. Yes, let's place them here. And if you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy to make. Yes, and it looks really good. All these assets that come with the editor, they are already optimized, they are perfectly fine. And if you see, we have a limit for the project size. So if I'm not mistaken, the maximum size it's 400 megabytes. So at the moment we just used the 2% of it. Even that we have many stuff in the world, we just use the 2% because most of it are things that come with the editor. So the players do not need to make like extra downloads or anything crazy about it. So another thing that I would like to add, for example, it's weapons. Yes. So let's put here some device that will give us the weapon. Spawner. Capture item spawner. I think this one will work. So let's put it here. And we will come, just here close to our player, get here up. And here in the details, user option functions, let's put here that it will spawn just to my player. And item list, we need to choose here the weapon that we want. So let's put this assault rifle. Item quantity 1, and that's it. So here we have the weapon, for example. And then we can start to build the world as we want. Also, I put here like wildlife spawner, so it will drop me a predator, random predator. Yes, with maximum 5, and that's it. And I add here some button that will control. The one that triggered this button is the guy that wins the game, and this is an end game. So this one is activated by the button, yes, on the interaction, and the one that activate that button, that interact with the button first, it's the winning team. The winning team is the activating team. That's pretty much quite long summary of what I have built right now. I will keep exploring this. I will keep making videos. So the idea is that we will be checking the advances together. Also, as I said before, if you find something interesting, some place in the world that you would like to replicate in here, so just let me know and we'll build it together. And now what I need just to make is save all of this and hit play. So as you can see, when you launch the session, it will automatically open for you Fortnite. So it's necessary with the installation of the editor, you need to install Fortnite, and you need to have an account. With your Epic Games account is more than enough. So let's wait just a bit more. And here we are. So we are in our edit mode. As you can see, we have everything in here. It's really nice effect. The sky looks pretty good. Water also. Let's come here. I hope that you will be able to come back. I'm not sure now. Maybe I will be trapped. But now let's hit play and let's try to kill these 5 predators that will come for us. Okay, and it's supposed to be spawning another one, and this time it's a wall. Okay, should be fast. I am not too good at the games. I like more to build the worlds. This is the fourth, I guess. This is the last one. Okay, it worked. Yeah, it was the last one. So the main idea, as I told you, is we are here exploring, fighting against animals, fighting against each other. The first one to arrive to the logo of NOAR for life will be the winner. So there should be some button. And when you interact, so the game is done. So that's it for today. Next video I will be exploring a bit more about the bears and how to use that programming language to create better experiences. And I hope you will be following this series. So have a good one. See you next time.